Okay, fifth year. So this is the video on SolidWorks that we're going to learn how to model what we drew in class on Monday. So once you open your emails, download the file I sent you there today, okay, and you will get this here. Now you guys press save immediately, alright, okay, and give it solids in contact, sphere, or three solids in mutual contact. Solids in mutual contact. Save. Okay, and click OK. Now, the question, alright, was a cylinder A and a cone B. Cylinder had radius 30. Okay, cone had radius 27. The cylinder had an altitude of 80 millimeters and the cone had an altitude of 50 millimeters. So I'm going to click the horizontal plane, Control 8. I'm going to select sketch, and I'm first going to do the cylinder, and I'm going to draw a circle there. Right now I want to draw the circle out here in the middle. I'm going to go Smart Dimension, click the center point, click the vertical plane, and we're going to give it a dimension of 40. Right now I'm going to go Smart Dimension, alright, and give a diameter of 60. So this is the cylinder, and I need to hit the center point, Smart Dimension the center point and the origin, and you can, when it goes like this, right, what you see now, you can right click to get it to stay, and then we're going to type in 80 just for maybe 70 just for safety's sake. So we'll change that to 70. Right, it doesn't matter if there's going to be some of it past there. Now we're going to go Features, Extruded Boss Base, and we're going to type in 80, altitude of 80. Now we're going to right click here on Boss Extrude, change the appearance, alright, to red, okay, like it is in the question, and we're going to rename this to Cylinder A. So you can make a cylinder by an extruded boss base. Now we're going to do the cone. So we're going to do the green there, the cone, alright, which looks like that there in plan elevation. Right, so I need to do a cone by a loft. So I'm going to click the horizontal plane, Control 8. I'm going to go Sketch, Circle, and I'm going to draw a circle out here to the side. Now, you need to add in your relations, so we'll click the center point and see if we can get hold control and see if the center point will come up there. It won't, so you untick your center point, or your point, sorry, click point, and let's see, and this will automatically come up there. So in that cross there, it has to be in that cross, and the dot has to be black. Now we click the center point to the blue circle for the cone, hold control, click the center point to the cylinder, and select Make Horizontal, so they're in line. Now we click the circle, hold control, and click the circle of cylinder A, and select Make Tangent. Now we're going to Smart Dimension, click the curve, and we're going to type radius 27, so it's diameter 54. Diameter 54. And you can click OK. Now we're going to make a cone using a loft. So I'm going to exit sketch here. To do a loft, so a loft is this button here. I need two sketches, alright? So I need to sketch the apex of the cone, the top of the cone, up higher here. So I'm going to go Reference Geometry, Plane, select this horizontal plane here, have a distance of 50 from it because the cone has an altitude of 50. Now I can go Sketch, I select Plane 1, you need to select a work surface, so Plane 1, I'm going to select Point, I'm going to press Control and 8, and I need to hover over that there. It's good. The yellow box has got to go up and it's got to go orange. I need to click the point there, turn off the point immediately. Alright, don't click a point out there. If you do, delete it and exit the sketch. Now I'm going to go features, lofted boss base. I'm going to select this bottom sketch and this top sketch. Alright, and then click OK. So that's a cone made using a lofted boss base. A lofted boss base adds material between 2 or more sketches. Now we're going to rename this here cone B. And they like to see lofts at higher level in the project. Cone B. And we're going to give this a colour of green. And we save our work. Now we're going to hide the plane. So right click on plane 1, hide the plane. Now we're going to set up this construction here to get our center point and point of contact. So I'm going to go reference geometry, plane. I need a work surface. I select apex and this here, and it selects face 1, it's parallel, and it goes through the cone or the apex of the cone. So I click OK, and you can rename that to work surface. I'm going to click the work surface, Control 8. I'm going to go sketch. I'm going to draw a circle here on the left and on the right. And these are my constructions. I'm going to click this circle here, hold Control, click the other one, select make equal. So it'll have the same radius. So I'm going to click this curve now here, hold Control and click the edge of the cylinder, select make tangent. Now I'm going to click this here, circle, hold Control, select the horizontal plane, make tangent. Right, now likewise, I'm going to click this circle, hold Control, click the extreme generator of the cone, make tangent. Click the circle, hold Control, click the horizontal plane, make tangent. Now a smart dimension, alright, and radius is 18, so diameter is 36. So we type in 36 here, and notice the way the one on the right hand side of the cone will complete itself. Right, now we need to establish our point of contact. Alright, so I'm going to select the center line here, and I'm going to click this line here and the extreme generator of the cone. I'm going to turn it off there. Right, and I'm going to click the center line, hold Control, click the edge of the cone, say make perpendicular. So it's now found its tangential relation already. And likewise, I'm going to do the same with the sphere. I'm going to go center line, and that's it, found itself. Now I'm going to exit the sketch. Alright, and I'm going to start a new sketch. Alright, now that's just the bell ringing. So I'm going to go features, reference geometry, plane. We're going to roll the sphere into its position now. So I'm going to click these 3 points here. They're not selecting. Right, so it's probably because they don't want to be in line there, so just get rid of them there. Alright, I'm going to get rid of them all, delete. I'm going to select this one here and this point. Now I'm going to hold and roll it around there. I'm going to click this one here, I'm going to press Control 8, and now I'm going to go sketch and select plane 3. Now I'm going to go for a circle. Okay, I'm going to put it on the apex of my cone now, and I'm going to view in 3D and turn it around this way. Alright, now I'm going to stop the video as it's nearly finished.